In today's fast-paced job market, having a digital CV isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Gone are the days of paper applications gathering dust on desks. We're in the age of instant connectivity, where recruiters and employers expect to find you online, and your digital CV is your virtual handshake. A digital CV is your online portfolio, showcasing your skills, experience, and achievements in a dynamic and engaging way. It goes beyond the limitations of a traditional paper resume, allowing you to incorporate multimedia elements, interactive features, and links to your online presence. Think of it as your personal brand website, meticulously crafted to make a powerful first impression. Recruiters are inundated with applications, and a well-structured, visually appealing digital CV can be your ticket to standing out from the crowd. In a world saturated with information, a digital CV is your opportunity to cut through the noise and make a lasting impact. It's time to embrace the future of job applications and unlock a world of opportunities with a digital CV that truly represents your unique value. Creating a standout digital CV might seem daunting, but fear not. The process doesn't have to be overwhelming or stressful. Artificial intelligence, AI, is here to revolutionize the way you approach this crucial task. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what employers are looking for. AI-powered CV builders are like having a team of career experts at your fingertips, ready to guide you through the process with ease. They provide insights and suggestions that you might not have considered. These intelligent tools take the guesswork out of crafting the perfect CV, helping you present your qualifications in the most compelling way possible. They ensure that your CV stands out in a crowded job market. Imagine having access to a team of expert writers, designers, and career coaches, all working together to create a CV that truly shines. This is what AI CV builders offer, a comprehensive approach to CV creation. That's the power of AI CV builders. They bring together the best practices from various fields to ensure your CV is polished and professional. They analyze your skills, experience, and career goals, and then generate personalized CV templates tailored to your specific needs. This means your CV is not just another generic document, but a true reflection of your professional journey. No more struggling with formatting, wording, or design elements. AI does the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what matters most, showcasing your unique talents and experience. It simplifies the process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. With AI as your ally, crafting a professional and impactful digital CV becomes an enjoyable and efficient process. You can be confident that your CV will make a strong impression on potential employers. Embrace the future of CV creation and let AI help you unlock your full potential in the job market. The future is here, and it's time to take advantage of these powerful tools to advance your career. With a plethora of AI-powered CV builders available, choosing the right one for your needs can feel overwhelming. But worry not. Navigating this landscape is easier than you think. Start by considering your specific requirements and budget. Some popular options include ChatGPT, Resume.io, and Rezi, each offering a unique set of features and pricing plans. ChatGPT, known for its natural language processing capabilities, excels at generating compelling content and tailoring it to specific job descriptions. Resume.io provides a user-friendly interface with a wide range of pre-designed templates and industry-specific keywords, making it a great choice for those seeking a quick and polished solution. Rezi, on the other hand, focuses on creating ATS-optimized CVs, ensuring your application gets past the initial screening process. Take advantage of free trials and explore the features of different platforms to find the one that best aligns with your needs and preferences. Remember, the right AI tool will feel like an extension of your own expertise, empowering you to create a digital CV that truly represents your unique value proposition. Section 4. Data Mining, Unearthing the Gems of Your Career. Before you dive into the world of AI-powered CV creation, it's essential to gather and organize the raw materials that will form the foundation of your digital masterpiece. Think of this as the preparatory phase where you collect all the essential elements that will later be refined and polished. This is where the crucial step of data mining comes in, unearthing the hidden gems of your career journey. It's about digging deep into your past to find those valuable experiences and achievements that might not be immediately obvious. Start by revisiting your past work experiences, academic achievements, and extracurricular activities. Reflect on each role and project you've been a part of and consider the impact you had in those positions. Jot down key responsibilities, skills developed, projects completed, and any quantifiable results or achievements that demonstrate your impact. Be thorough and detailed, as this information will be the backbone of your CV. Don't underestimate the value of seemingly small accomplishments. Often these hidden gems can add depth and personality to your CV. Even minor achievements can showcase your dedication and growth over time. Next, delve into your skills inventory. This is a critical step in presenting a well-rounded profile. Make a comprehensive list of both hard skills, such as software proficiency or technical expertise, and soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. These skills are what make you a versatile and valuable candidate. Highlighting a well-rounded skill set is crucial in today's competitive job market. Employers are looking for candidates who can bring a diverse set of abilities to the table. Finally, gather any relevant certifications, awards, or recognitions you've received. These accolades are not just decorative, they add significant credibility to your profile. These accolades add credibility to your profile and demonstrate your commitment to professional development. They show that you have been recognized for your efforts and achievements. Remember, this data mining process is about unearthing the valuable nuggets of information that will make your digital CV shine. It's a meticulous but rewarding process that sets the stage for creating a standout CV. Section 5. From brain dump to masterpiece, structuring your information. Now that you've unearthed a treasure trove of information about your career journey, it's time to transform this raw data into a well-structured and compelling narrative. This process is crucial because it allows you to present your experiences and skills in a way that is both coherent and impactful. This is where the art of CV organization comes into play, turning your brain dump into a masterpiece of personal branding. By carefully structuring your information, you ensure that your CV not only tells your story but does so in a way that is engaging and easy to follow. Begin by choosing a CV format that best highlights your strengths and aligns with your career goals. The right format can make a significant difference in how your CV is perceived by potential employers. The chronological format, the most traditional approach, lists your work experience in reverse chronological order, emphasizing career progression. This format is particularly effective for those with a steady work history and clear career advancement. The functional format focuses on your skills and abilities, making it ideal for career changers or those with gaps in their work history. This format allows you to highlight what you can do rather than when you did it. The hybrid format, as the name suggests, combines elements of both, allowing you to showcase both your skills and experience in a balanced manner. This format is versatile and can be tailored to suit a variety of career paths. Once you've chosen your format, divide your CV into clear and concise sections, using descriptive headings to guide the reader's eye. Each section should be distinct, yet flow seamlessly into the next. Creating a cohesive and engaging narrative that captivates the reader's attention. This smooth transition between sections helps maintain the reader's interest and makes your CV more memorable. Remember, a well-structured CV is not only visually appealing but also makes it easier for recruiters and employers to quickly grasp your qualifications and experience. A clear and organized CV can significantly enhance your chances of making a positive impression and landing that coveted interview.